In this video, I will show you how to use OP AutoClicker. So the first step is to open up any browser and search for OP AutoClicker and then click on the first link. Now once you get here, you just have to download this on your computer, and then when you open it up, you will see something similar to this. So basically here you can record. So you can record your mouse movements, and then you can simply start and stop them by pressing the F6 key on your keyboard. Here you can also choose the click interval, so how fast you want to click. And here you have the click options, so you choose the mouse button left, here you can, or right. Here you can choose the click type, single or double, and here you can also set basically for how many repeats you want this to do. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.